CSE is the easiest department to study.
कॉलेज लाइफ इतना वंडरफुल होगा, लाला लैंड होगा.
The new environment, new friends, new subjects and all. And coding always been my favorite part.
I'm glad that I have seniors like them.
Exactly.
Seriously, I'm very glad.
I stayed with my friends for 2 nights in the college in the labs and we had a lot of.
ज्वाइन करने से पहले पैकेज, ज्वाइन करने के बाद पैकेज,
First years का सबसे ज्यादा होता है. ये question कितना मिले?
इंक्रीमेंट के बाद पैकेज, इंक्रीमेंट से पहले पैकेज, एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट पैकेज.
Exactly.
I think तुम्हारा तो favorite question है. I think सबका ही favorite question है.
How much should we expect? Like
Well, up to 40 lakhs per annum का job, 80 lakhs per annum का job. अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है. अभी तुम देखो.
Hello everyone and welcome to SNU Amplified Season 2. I am Amish and this is where we keep it real, raw and unfiltered. This is the very first episode of Season 2 and who better to start it off other than the Computer Science Department, right? Today we are going to truly decode what's inside the Computer Science Department, and to completely understand this we have got voices from every year. I would like to introduce them to you. We have got Ankan. Ankan is the newbie. He's the just beginner guy, but he has something to add up to his resume. He has won the International Quanta Robotic Board competition. And then the next guest we have on the panel is Preetham Da.
Hi.
Preetham is the president of Skepsis and he has managed various events inside and outside SNU. And the final panelist we have today is Kushagra.
Hello.
Kushagra is more so often the veteran guy. He has experienced it all and he is recognized by the university for innovation, and he has also co-founded Ignatius, a club in our SNU. So Printf, welcome everyone.
Hello.
Welcome. Thank you for having me.
hello everyone.
Yeah, so let's get started with the beginner itself. So yeah, Ankan, you are the baby of the group, right?
You can say.
Yeah, so like जब मैं आ रहा था कॉलेज में, I had thoughts कि भाई कॉलेज लाइफ इतना वंडरफुल होगा, लाला लैंड होगा, everything would be sweet. But
Exactly.
after getting in, I got assignments and then there was a rock under my foot. So like, what's your experience? How did you feel like पहले क्या था, अभी क्या?
So if I really go unfiltered, पहले तो घर पे बहुत कुछ सोचा था. Like I was really fascinated about the 1 crore packages that we all get to hear about. Then सोचा था college life will be full on मस्ती, like roaming around, having fun, attending events and all. And किसी ने तो मुझे कहा था कि like CSE is the easiest department to study.
क्या बोले भाई?
अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है. अभी तुम देखो.
This is just a tip of the iceberg. अभी तो কত কিছু যে আসবে.
अरे वो सब ऐसे ऐसे उसको प्रेशराइज मत करो. पहले तुम बताओ यार, तुम्हारा जिंदगी कैसा चल रहा है सीएसई में?
Apart from those expectations,
Yeah.
life is really going great.
Okay.
Like the new environment, new friends, new subjects and all. And coding always been my favorite part.
Yeah.
Enjoying a lot. And also like I am coming from a far off place, so staying here alone, managing all the things, it's really a great experience, I will say.
Understood. But when you see your competitors या फिर अपने classmates कोई कि भाई वो लोग तुमसे ज़्यादा excel कर रहे हैं, so like वो feeling कैसा है? Because newcomers को होता ही है.
Exactly. So like after coming to a few days in the college, मुझे पता चला कि मेरे से भी लोग कहीं ज़्यादा आगे हैं.
Yeah,
तो
obviously.
like
Obviously.
meeting them, I feel like I'm small. Like they are so far ahead of me.
Yeah.
I really felt lagging behind.
होता है.
Actually, this is the imposter syndrome.
Yeah,
कि,
exactly.
Like when you see people around you कि तो ওরা তোদের থেকে এত ভালো, then you will be like, भाई, what am I doing? But honestly, I would say कि like you should not compare yourself with others as always. You will open up LinkedIn when you will see like different people posting.
Yeah, exactly. Like
You
they're
like
posting.
हाँ कि this person has achieved this, I have published papers and all that. You will
Exactly.
find कि like मैं क्या करूँ, আমারও হতো এই জিনিসটা. But obviously সবার হয়, খুশাল বেদারও হয়েছে I guess.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so but the best thing you can do to deal with it is focus on yourself only.
Yeah,
Okay?
exactly.
Do not compare yourself with others. On the contrary, start comparing yourself with you only. Okay, like just যেটা আমি করতাম কি I compared myself with who am I was the previous day. Okay, like there is a book called Atomic Habits. ওখানে the
Heard of
author
it.
has mentioned a very great thing about the power of tiny gains. So like focus on making yourself better 1% every day. তুই যখন নিজেকে 1% ইমপ্রুভ করতে থাকবি প্রত্যেক দিন, সো তুই দেখবি কি আজকে তুই যা করছিস, সাপোজ তুই আজকে একটা কোড লিখলি, ঠিক আছে, অনেকগুলো বেশি এরর পেলি, তুই কালকে ওই সেম কোডটা করলি, তুই কয়েকটা কম এরর পেলি, ঠিক আছে, ওটা কিন্তু 1% ইমপ্রুভমেন্টটা খুব স্মল কিন্তু হয়েছে। লাইক এটা যখন তুই করবি, এটা সবাই করে, ঠিক আছে, লাইক মেনি প্রফেসর্স অলসো সাজেস্ট দিস। তো যখন তুই এটা করবি, তুই লাইক গ্র্যাজুয়ালি মানে এক্সপোনেনশিয়াল গ্রোথ হবে। বাট ওয়েন যখন ইউনো যেটা সবাই করে ইম্পোস্টার সিনড্রোমের জন্য, কি হোয়াট দে ডু ইজ মানে আজকে দেখছে কি হচ্ছে ভাই, এরকম করে করে নিজের উপর কিছুই করে না, ওরা এই ভাবতে ওরা নিজেকে লাইক ডিক্রিজ করতে থাকে, ঠিক আছে, মানে ইমপ্রুভমেন্টের বদলে নিচে নামতে থাকে। So like when you will go to hackathons, you will feel this thing more, but obviously focusing on yourself is the key.
Yeah, that's very well said actually, because मेरे को ऐसे कोई समझाता नहीं था जब मैं ये फील करता था।
तुम मेरे पास आए नहीं।
अब तुमको पता है किधर जाना है।
फिर हमारे सीनियर्स है तुम्हारे पास।
Thank you. I am glad that I have seniors like them. Yeah. Seriously, I'm very glad. So, like adding to that, Pritam da also mentioned about hackathons. When I heard about hackathons, I thought कि भाई मैराथन होता है, दौड़ते दौड़ते हैक करना पड़ता है लोगों के पीछे। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, ठीक है। सो आई वुड लाइक यू, क्योंकि आपने ये टॉपिक उठाया, आप समझा दो सबको, अंकन को भी समझा दो।
एग्जैक्टली, मेरा भी क्वेश्चन था ये।
Hackathon क्या होता है?
और रुको समझाने से पहले ऑल्सो एड अ स्टोरी जो आपने विटनेस किया अपने आप से।
Okay, so
Sure,
obviously there are many stories, but everything cannot be said on camera. So yeah. So basically for the viewers, so hackathon is something like, you know, it's not firstly what Amish said, ki it's not like running on a marathon while coding. It's like it's a 1 day or 2 day, many like in a stipulated time you are given some problem statements. On that you are required to come up with real world solutions, implement them, implement the solution, build a full project and like end-to-end solution, and then you need to showcase it to the mentors or the judges whom will judge you on the basis of the solution which you have provided. So this is chota mota like what hackathon is. And like I have managed many hackathons. So one held in last year only in our college. So like yeah, it's a wholesome experience ki like we come to college in the daytime, right? But when you come during, like you stay in the college for 2 nights. I stayed with my friends for 2 nights in the college in the labs, and we had a lot of fun. So like one story that Amish was asking, I would say ki at one night during 3 AM I guess, so তখন কি হয়েছিল, the internet went off, ঠিক আছে, at everyone like it was a kind of scenario like that, মানে I guess Kushagra was also there. Yes, so 10 it was around 3, internet went off for 10 or 15 minutes and it was a full on chaos. সবাই ল্যাপটপে ফোন করছে আমাদেরকে, ভাই ইন্টারনেট নেই, ইন্টারনেট কোড করতে পারছে না, কি করবো। তো what we did was like এত টেনশনের জন্য we thought কি like একটু লাইটেন আপ করা যাক। তো we asked everyone to come to the placement cell and the seminar hall. There we played many games like building towers with Red Bull cans which were given to us, and played Jenga, Udo, like lot of fun was there. Yeah, so
many
like,
games.
This type of experience you will get only in the hackathon. So yeah, that's a very great thing.
That's a very good point, to be honest, because hackathons is such an experience. अगर नहीं करते हो then you are missing out on life.
Obviously.
But I heard about the managing part obviously, but participants का भी एक part होता है obviously.
Kushagra da.
So I was coming up to that कि Kushagra da, you have been on the other side of hackathons. You have participated. What's your take on this, and a story please आप भी दे दो, मैं थोड़ा हंस लूँ.
Well, as Pritam already mentioned कि hackathon एक experience होता है, तो तुम्हें real life skills सिखाता है, and you know तुम्हें बहुत uncertainty पे काम करने पे भी सिखाता है कि how do you work when there is sudden error or sudden errors, you know, it will help you on that. And jo specific story which I want to tell, which is pretty embarrassing, is there was a time that we misunderstood the prompt and we built the project for the wrong problem statement. And the sad part is we only realized it during the judgment moment where there was judge coming towards us. So हमने बहुत ही इम्प्रॉम्प्टू एक प्लान बनाया और उसे डिलीवर किया एंड वी समहाउ पास टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड
Damn.
व्हिच वाज प्रीटी आई डिडंट थिंक कि ऐसा हो सकता
ऑन
है.
स्पॉट बोल के पास हो गए हम.
Yeah.
ये सब
Even
चीजें you
the-
can experience in hackathons only.
Yeah.
Real
Even the-
world experience.
Real world experiences.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Even the judge said कि it was creative, but I don't know that if it was
Compliment or something.
compliment. It was a compliment.
Sarcasm.
No, I guess compliment.
Compliment, obviously.
उनको
I
क्या
hope
पता
so. It was a
backend में क्या-
compliment.
Back end में क्या चला था?
So yeah, that's a very like a great part ki there are two worlds in hackathons, obviously, managing and participating.
Yeah.
That's
Both are
amazing.
great.
Yeah, I would like to ask कि रात भर जागते थे, रात भर कोड करते थे.
क्या खा के जागते हैं यार? इतना
यार ये
मतलब-
तो मेरे को जानना है.
Well,
Red Bull,
Preetham,
bro.
Red Bull,
Red Bull, Pepsi.
Red Bull,
कैफेन में हो जाता है आप लोगों का.
chips, Maggie, बहुत सारे side dishes. But Red Bull, I would say caffeine is must.
हाँ,
Or black coffee,
obviously.
whatever you
मुझे तो
want.
कॉफी पी के भी नींद आता है.
You have a serious problem to deal with.
Exactly.
इसका तो solution नहीं है मेरे पास. Technical होता तो बोल देता.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Like
exactly.
हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कैसे हैकाथॉन्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स हम लोग का लाइफ को लाइक वी लर्न द रियल वर्ल्ड कि कैसे काम होता है. बट प्रीतम दा, हाउ डज हैकाथॉन्स एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स अप्लाई इन द लाइक IT सेक्टर? कैसे जॉब्स मिलने में कैसे हेल्प करता है?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मेरा भी क्वेश्चन था कि मैं सीनियर से सुनता रहता हूँ कि दे आर लाइक वर्किंग ऑन डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल रशिंग अबाउट इट.
Yes, see, basically, you know, college curriculum যেটা হচ্ছে, it's to the general syllabus you are studying. But when you go to hackathons or you build projects, ওখানে you are working on real world problems, you are building solutions. Okay, what you are learning, you are applying them, you are building solutions. তো ওটা যখন তুই তো রেজিউমেতে অ্যাড করছিস, তো like when the recruiters are going through thousands of resumes every day, when they see ki this guy has participated in hackathons or rather he has like has some achievements in hackathons, he has projects which are deployed. The recruiter or the interviewer can go to the website and see, like, experience it himself or herself. তো তখন হচ্ছে like they have a different perspective about it. ওরা জানে কি like you can deal with real
I'm
world.
capable enough.
Yes, you are capable enough. So
Alright.
basically the syllabus যেটা পড়ানো হচ্ছে that's a tool. And যেটা real world problem, that is a subject. So you should know how to deal with the subject more. So like that is a very positive impact. I
So
would say.
like আমাকে কি next Google বানাতে হবে, Facebook বানাতে হবে, like what are these, like what should we do?
I mean, not really, like, but you need to learn कि कैसे बनता है code. Like, rather than building projects, you should learn कि project बन ही क्यों रहे हैं, कैसे बन रहे हैं, the idea behind it.
Okay.
For example, you don't have to beat Google, but you can build a calculator. But ऐसा भी नहीं कि तुम बस एक calculator बना दिए. You need to learn कि calculator बनने से पहले उसमें क्या requirements होते हैं, उसे बनाया क्यों जाता है, एक बंदा calculator कैसे use करता है, and so like that. कैसे यूज करता है, एज इन कि 2+2 करेगा देन इक्वल टू
Use
दबाएगा.
cases.
यूज केसेस कैसे उसको यूज करे, तब तुम समझोगे कि कैसे प्रोजेक्ट बन रहा है इन जनरल. एंड दैट्स व्हाट द कंपनी वांट्स एंड दैट विल दे विल सी यू, नॉट कि तुमने 10 या 20 प्रोजेक्ट कर लिए. यस.
Yeah, that's like obviously you need to build projects, लेकिन आपको समझना पड़ेगा प्रोजेक्ट आपने बनाया क्यों और कैसे बनाया. That's a very good point खुशाग्रह mentioned. But like एक क्वेश्चन जो हर एक बंदे के दिमाग में all throughout the 4 years रहता है, that is package. ज्वाइन करने से पहले पैकेज, ज्वाइन करने के बाद पैकेज,
फर्स्ट ईयर का सबसे ज्यादा होता है ये क्वेश्चन, कितना मिले.
इंक्रीमेंट के बाद पैकेज, इंक्रीमेंट से पहले पैकेज, एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट पैकेज.
आई थिंक तुम्हारा तो फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है. आई थिंक सबका ही फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है.
हाउ मच शुड वी एक्सपेक्ट, लाइक
वेल, कंप्यूटर साइंस बहुत वर्सेटाइल फील्ड है, तो डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एंड हाउ मच स्किल्स यू हैव ऑन दैट. योर सैलरी पैकेज डिपेंड्स ऑन इट. फॉर एग्जांपल, you can get up to 15,000 per month. Depends कि you are, let's say you're fresher, तुम्हारे पास कोई skills नहीं है, you are just joining it for the money and experience.
Okay.
This is your first time and like that. And you can also get up to 40 lakhs per annum का job, 80 lakhs per annum का job, depending upon कि तुमने कितने hackathon से सीखा है, कितने hackathons में तुमने लाइक विन किया है. सेकेंडली, तुमने क्या इंटर्नशिप्स किए, किस कंपनी में इंटर्नशिप की है, फ्रीलांस क्या किया, कैसे किया, किधर किया. ऑल दैट मैटर्स एंड व्हाट स्किल्स डू यू हैव इट. तो let's say you are a machine learner with a huge experience, so you can get up to 40 lakhs per annum. But also I would like to add ki apart from the technical skills, you do need to have the soft skills in the process, because even though you are very skillful, but you can't communicate to your team, you can't communicate to anyone, so it would be a problem.
Talking about soft skills, I would like to address you कि भाई हमारे SNU में एक dedicated department है for
I
soft
think you
skills.
should address the audience as
Oh
well.
yeah, obviously. So there is a dedicated department in SNU for soft skills. We name it as Center for Corporate and Career Advancement, also known as C3A. You should visit there. There are very friendly teachers. They help you understand each and every concept. Or soft skills is very much needed.
It is.
Very much needed. Because people are getting laid off because they can't just communicate in their team within.
In any field, to be honest, not in computer
Even
science.
they're good, like they're good in coding and all.
Yeah, they won't select you because you can't communicate your code to them. That is the issue.
Yes, that is a great.
You know your code, but
Yes.
कोई किसी को कैसे समझाओगे when you can't even speak to them properly? You might sound rude, you might sound unprofessional. So soft
confident
skills will help you on that, make you sound professional.
Okay.
So
So
yeah.
soft skills is very important.
Looks like very important.
Yeah,
So,
very important.
Amish, I would also like to add ki, as you mentioned about the C3A department. So yes, so the C3A department, it is the Center for Corporate and Career Advancement. The department, the teachers, they also they help the students a lot with the soft skills. Like I can personally say that, last year also, when I appeared for several interviews in various clubs and as you said, ki I was in the back-end team for many events. So Okhane, they take interviews and they basically the most important thing is your soft skills. So Okhane, I went to our soft skill teachers, the HOD of the department, and they helped me so much ki you should answer these questions like this, and there's a way. ঠিক আছে, সব কোয়েশ্চেন আনসার করে ওয়ে থাকে, অ্যান্ড যতক্ষণ না তুই জানবি যে কি করে আনসার করতে আর কি করে হাউ টু ডিল উইথ দ্য সিচুয়েশনস, ইউ কান্ট do that properly. So I would say for that the C3A department is the best that SNU has.
Yeah.
Point. That's
Agreed.
a great point. So यार बहुत बात हो गई यार, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया भाई. बहुत इंटर्नशिप, प्लेसमेंट, पैकेज,
इतना कुछ घूम लिया
भाई यार, बहुत देख लिया. थोड़ा लाइट करते हैं.
Yes,
थोड़ा light.
okay.
I have got some questions in my hand. ठीक है, I'll be looking down just to read out the questions. Please pardon me. So I've got some questions in my hand. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 मैं पूछते जाऊंगा. ठीक है, you guys have to answer it. We call this rapid fire round. ठीक है,
Okay.
तो
सोचने का नहीं है.
सोचने का
Just
नहीं है,
answer.
बस
ठीक
आंसर
है.
करना है. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
Okay.
so are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
We are.
Let's go. Let's start with Ankan then.
Okay.
Dark mode or light mode?
Dark mode.
Dark mode. Okay. Front end versus back end.
Front end.
Front end. Okay. VS Code or IntelliJ?
VS Code, obviously.
VS Code. Damn.
Obviously.
Okay.
Python versus Java. Which one?
Python, obviously easier one.
Oh, damn. But Java comes in hand in many places.
that is-
उसको समझ आएगा.
इसका वक्त है ना फर्स्ट ईयर
First year में है ना.
Okay. Does ChatGPT make us smarter or lazier?
Smarter.
Smarter. Damn. Very intentional take, I would say that.
Yes.
And
Controversial.
Controversial.
Yeah, but yeah, it debatable also.
Yeah.
So, Kushagrada,
Okay.
your most used shortcut key?
Windows V.
Windows V.
Windows
होता है?
V.
क्या होता है
Windows
इससे?
V is a collection of all the shortcuts you have, all the copied things you have.
Oh, damn. History.
Yeah,
Nice,
history
nice.
of all the copied.
Copied things. So,
Aman चुनने तो control C भी.
Same.
yeah, so, Ankan,
हाँ.
our first year is more chill or more lost?
More lost, I will say. Obviously.
Obviously, then
पता
you
नहीं है क्या करना है कल.
Yeah,
मैं तो चिल था भाई. Lost था फिर भी चिल था.
चलो दोनों ही है.
प्रीतम भैया,
बोलो.
Windows or Mac OS?
I use Mac, so.
Okay.
Mac
Mac OS का जो ecosystem है, I like that very much.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah,
But I
that's-
miss Windows also.
यूज करते हो इसलिए मैक की पसंद है मैक.
पसंद इसलिए यूज करते हो obviously.
Okay. Kushagrada,
Okay.
coffee or tea?
Coffee, obviously coffee.
Coffee, obviously.
No way.
And what if I ask coffee or Red Bull?
Red Bull.
Red Bull.
That cannot be beaten.
Okay.
I think it's a no-brainer.
The final question for Ankan. This is a very good question, I would say. Group study or solo grind?
ग्रुप में स्टडी होता है. सोलो ग्राइंड ऑब्वियसली.
Okay, that's a good point. That's a good point. Yeah, so like समझ में आया कि कौन किधर जा रहा है, किधर से, like what are their takes on different questions. I would like to
Exactly.
revert back to Kushagrada. Like
Yeah.
looking at where you came from, first year जहाँ पे आपने डिसीजन बनाया था कि मेरे को इधर आना है, and now you are passing out, अब जॉब मिलने वाला है यार. So like how has the journey been first year से fourth year तक?
Wow, that's a nice question. So, I mean, when I started university in semester 1, everything was new. And I used to meet every kind of people. I used to participate in various events. I used to meet different kinds of people and do some various types of events. Uske baad, then second year started. And I realized कि मैं computer science में हूँ. And you have to study. You have to work on it. Especially जब OS start हुआ, computer architecture start हुआ. And those subjects really hit me off differently.
Signals and systems कैसे भूल रहे हो आप?
Of course,
I
signals and
believe
system.
Ankit doesn't relate here.
No, he will
इसका
relate
बारी
after some
आएगा.
time.
मैं
इसका समय
just
आएगा.
बैठा हूँ सुन रहा हूँ इस पॉइंट पे.
तुम जब सेकेंड ईयर में आओगे, थर्ड ईयर में आओगे, तो फिर से ये पॉडकास्ट देखना तुमको, तब तुमको समझ आएगा.
और ज्यादा हिट करेगा.
Second year is also a year where you find actually good friends and true friends. क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर में तुम सिर्फ लोगों से मिलते हो एंड बात करते हो, बट तुम फ्रेंड्स आई थिंक सेकेंड ईयर से बनते हैं जो एक्चुअल फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. उसके बाद फिर थर्ड ईयर स्टार्ट होता है. थर्ड ईयर इज़ ऑल अबाउट कि पढ़ो और इंटर्नशिप क्रैक करो, पढ़ो इंटर्नशिप क्रैक करो. उसी का सबका पैनिक रहता है, सबको पैनिक रहता है.
I can forget.
But you don't have to worry, there is also fourth year.
Or panic. More panic.
No, it's basically application. क्योंकि third year में if you are not getting internship, you of course don't have to worry or get panic, but study and skill gain करो. You know, there's always a space for gaining your skills. And fourth year is all about applying it and getting a job with what you have.
अच्छा खुशाग्र, the one thing कि like as we all are from the CSE department,
Yep.
तो like can you tell us one thing that মানে একটা specific thing যেটা only CSE ডিপার্টমেন্টের কাছে প্রিভিলেজটা আছে, বাকিদের কাছে নেই? Okay, that might be controversial, but can you?
Well, obviously there are some. जैसे कि we have our labs, AC rooms है पूरे.
हाँ, वो तो है.
वो है, हम लोग लैब में काम कर सकते हैं कभी भी गा के और पढ़ाई का काम कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, this thing is
Secondly, हम लोग का फ्लोर में सेमिनार्स है. So anytime there is an event, any kind of event from any department, we can just sneak in from the back door.
वही कि
From the
हमको like actually যেহেতু আমাদের সেকেন্ড ফ্লোরে
That's a cyber security pun if you didn't get it.
Nice one.
like যেহেতু like we are on the second floor like most of the time, তো
Yes.
any event যখনই হয় বাকিরা জানতে পারে না সবসময় আগে কি ইভেন্ট হচ্ছে,
Yeah.
কখন কি, বাট উই নো কি like হচ্ছে কিছু একটা.
one day তো হচ্ছে.
and if we see that some sounds are coming, people yes, kind of event, আমরা পেছন দিয়ে ঢুকে যাই.
নাচো.
If anyone asks, I'm not the event part.
सारे सीक्रेट्स बता दो न्यू ज्वाइनी को. इसको भी
Try करना पड़ेगा.
मालूम तो होना चाहिए.
नहीं, obviously you should know these things.
अब तो information public भी है.
अब तो सबको पता है.
So like even though people say कि CSE students marry their computers, but I believe that we never forget to feel emotions, right? Even though when we are in the hustle and tussle of our jobs, future studies, क्या करना है आगे जाके, we still live in the moment. We try to live in the moment. We try to enjoy every moment, and I believe that is the beauty of being a computer science student. So adding the semicolon to this episode, this was us, Amish.
Myself Ankan.
Myself Pritam.
कुशाग्र.
Thank you guys for joining, and thank you guys for sharing your beautiful insights
Thanks
with
for
us.
having us.
Thank you for having me here.
I learned so many new things from here, and I believe our audience also did.
Yes, obviously.
काफी facts पता चले.
So thank you guys for tuning in. This was just the first episode of season 2. This is where we keep it real, raw, and unfiltered. Thanks for watching.